Mike Kako. My name is Preston Morales. So known as Brother Primo. We're cruising at the beautiful Mala Hill, Keokua. As you can see, Brother Maitha and Hosea pulling out the Ma'ea variety. This thing has been in the ground for about 9 months. So yeah, thank the good Lord for the good yields provided all the way from the leaf to the big corn. So yeah, they're just pulling out the kalo, and we're going to be steaming it tomorrow and then pounding on Friday. So it's going to be a good transition and good fun. Guaranteed. Aloha.